Are you ready to nail party?
I will be using my Competitive Edge Custom Original Double Thick Extra Long Nail Forms, my Extra Adhesion Nail Liquid, my Prisma Ceramic Dap & Dish, my Starry Night Prisma Powder, my Glass Slipper No Wipe Top Gel, my Medium Flat Kolinsky Red Sable Brush, and my towelettes. Sanitize, sanitize, sanitize. And I will be using my Crystal Spray Decanter, available in peach or gardenia. Sanitize your hands and your client's hands. The nail has already been prepared and I applied my first coat of primer. I let my first coat of primer dry. This kills the germs on the nail and dries out the oils in the nail. Now I'm going to apply my second coat of primer, so my primer is wet when I apply my acrylic, and this promotes adhesion. I always have my primer in a primer holder with a little towelette, so I can dab my brush. I want to prime sparingly. I never want to oversaturate the nail. This little bottle will prime 1,000 nails, and then I wipe off my brush before I place it back into my bottle so I don't contaminate my primer. This is going to be a long coffin nail, so I'm going to tighten up my curve here on my nail form so I can get a nice coffin taper. My first ball is going to be a large ball, and I'm going to be placing it out onto the nail form. Dip your brush in. Wipe it away, drag towards you. Place this ball onto the form, let it flow. I'm going to pat it out. This is going to be an 8. I will be tapering this in, getting it really tight. There we go. I'll stroke it just a little to even taper that a little bit more. There we go. Now my second ball is going to be my next free edge ball. And this is also going to be a large ball. Dip your brush all the way in, wipe it away. Drag towards you, get a nice large ball. This ball will be placed right at the edge of the nail bed. Let it flow. Bring up the side. Bring up the side. Stroke it out. Side. Side. Center. This is such a fun black nail. That nice little sparkle there. I'm going to apply one more coat of primer here because I want the primer wet when I apply my acrylic and my primer dried. Now I'm going to apply my nail bed ball. Dip my brush in. This is a medium ball. Wipe off a little bit more liquid. Pick up a smaller ball. Place this ball halfway down the nail bed, let it flow, and stroke it out, side, side, center. Now I'm going to apply my cuticle ball. This is a small ball. Dip your brush in, wipe off more liquid. Pick up just a small ball. Place this ball 1/32 of an inch away from the cuticle. Push just a little. Get as close as you can without touching. There we go. And stroke it out. Side, side, center. Now I'm going to apply my stress ball right in this area. This is a medium ball. Dip your brush in, wipe it away, drag towards you. Place this ball, let it flow, and stroke it out. Side, side, center. Super fun, super easy. Love this nail. The nail is starting to dry. I'm going to squeeze the C curve. I'm going to start at the nail bed, work my way out towards the tip, really tapering in this tip really tight to give it that nice coffin shape. This makes the nail really strong and nice and narrow. There we go. Now I'm going to remove the form. I squeeze the tip, bring it down, and remove the form. I will be using my disposable 180 grit long-lasting zebra and my disposable clean finish buffer. And this buffer is made out of a special material. It's not made out of paper. So when you buff, it doesn't leave any grit on the nail. You can use this buffer dry, you can use it wet, or you can use it with oil. And it's so easy. Just peel off the back. Stick it onto your board. Peel off the back. Stick it onto your board. Now I'm going to score the edge of my file with my etcher. So when I file around the cuticle area, it's nice and smooth. Then I just dispose of my etcher. I will be filing my nail in 5 steps. My first step in filing is straight out from the nail groove on the left. Hold the finger in the nail securely. File straight out from the nail groove. Step number 2, file the nail straight out from the nail groove on the right. Hold the finger in the nail securely. File straight out. Step number 3, shape the tip of the free edge. I'm going to square off the tip, so hold my file straight up and down. Go straight across. Step number 4, file the top of the nail in the cuticle area. Down on the side, across the top, down on the other side, down on the side, across the top, down on the other side in a horseshoe pattern. And there's product, natural nail cuticle. There's a little road. I'm going to set my file in that little road and file the product flush with the natural nail. Step number 5, turn the nail around from the client's angle. This is the angle they will be looking at for the next 2 weeks, and you want to make sure it looks beautiful from their angle. Bevel down towards the tip. Nice long strokes. Get it nice and even. Remember always to hold the finger securely. Now I'm going to buff the nail using my clean finish buffer. Nice long strokes. Down on the side, across the top, down on the other side. Getting it nice and smooth around the cuticle area. Holding the finger and the nail securely. Nice long strokes towards the tip. Take off the little sharp edges. Have the client go wash their hands with peach antibacterial soft suds and a plastic manicure brush. Now I'm going to apply Glass Slipper, a super high gloss no wipe top gel that will keep the black black. It doesn't have any blue cast to it. It's so beautiful. It's so shiny. Nice long strokes. Oh my gosh, look how beautiful that is. I love this nail. You can see that nice little glitter popping through there. Love it. Cap the tip a little bit. Beautiful. Cure 1 minute in an LED or 2 minutes in a UV. Now I'm going to apply conditioning cuticle oil available in gardenia or peach. Drop. This feels so good and it smells so good. Everyone should have cuticle oil at home. It's so good for your nails and your cuticles. It helps your natural nail grow really healthy, and it keeps you from having any hangnails or any dry skin. So nice. Now you have your long coffin-shaped Starry Night acrylic nail. When you're all done, it's so easy to clean up your station. You just peel off your strips. You can disinfect your boards. Just fold up your disposable towel and throw everything away.
Make sure to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. And remember, at Tammy Taylor Nails, nails are always fun and never feel like work.